want to do some up close and piling up and just see how well we do here. I've got a couple other spots there, but this is pretty hard, pretty heavy stuff, and I just want to see what the CRT can do here. Not too bad, I'd say. I was gonna say the traction with these Fortis tracks is pretty darn good. Yeah, I can't really say anything negative about the track so far. I suppose the real test would basically getting back into dirt and gravel, because I kind of expect the tracks to perform pretty good in snow, but you know, who knows. But yeah, that's all for me. That's a pretty good lifting test. Thought it got good height. Yeah, anyway, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out. Hey, J-Bros popping back in here. Just a little quick overview after I got done moving snow. Everything went great. I'm ready for some maintenance on this. I think I'm ready to get that oil change video out to you. That's probably been, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours ago when I should have changed that. Track's holding up great. Like I mentioned before, I never really got to tightening up that track. I think I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up, that right side. appears a little loose. Left side appears pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Like I said, get that oil change video out to you. But other than that, everything is going great on the CRT end. Couldn't be happier. Yeah, what do you say? It just gets the job done. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.